Hello. In this video, I will show you how to connect Gmail with Outlook. Now, it's a very easy process. So firstly, what you have to do is open your browser and open Gmail on that browser and make sure to log in into correct account. Now, click on the settings option over here. Then click on see all settings. Now, just simply click on forwarding and PUP right over here. Then enable the option right over here and enable this option over here as well. Then scroll down. And then just simply click on Save Changes. Now, once you've done that, open Outlook on your computer. And now over here, just simply enter the email address of the exact email that you used over here. So just simply enter that. After that, click on Continue. Now wait for a few seconds. Then click on Continue again. And now just simply again sign in with the email address on your browser. Then click on Open Outlook over here. Now it should sync all the messages and emails. So it will take some time, so be patient. Now after that, just simply click on Next over here. Now over here, if you would like to send data of your Outlook to Microsoft, you can choose yes, but in my case, I'm going to choose no. Then click on Accept, then click on Continue. And now just simply choose Apply Settings. And within few minutes, your Outlook should start. And every single email that you had on your main ID should already be synced in, and you can see them over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.